Hi, distance learners. So we're back for day 7, and I cannot believe it's been 7 school days since we've been able to be together, and I really miss you guys. And I just hope we can be together soon. So let's get started with what we're going to do today, and we're going to do a major throwback, like talking like first few weeks of school throwback to LCM, or least common multiple. But the deal is that we're still going to be keeping up with those multi-part kinds of problems that we are going to be seeing, maybe on MCAS, maybe on quarterfinals, depending on what happens. I still want you guys to feel prepared and be prepared. So right now, that's what the best thing we can do is just to kind of proceed as normally and do what we need to do. So let's get started. So we have the situation here of a store. So a store has a grand opening, and a total of 180 customers visiting that store. And the store is giving away stickers and t-shirts to some of the customers. Every 10th customer gets a free sticker, and every 25th customer gets a free t-shirt. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to be answering questions based on this. So we're probably going to be coming back to the slide throughout. But let's look at part A. What is the total number of customers who received a free sticker? So let's kind of go back and look at the information regarding the free sticker. So first thing we know is that there was 180 customers, but they did not all get a free sticker. Only every 10th did. So every 10th customer got a free sticker. So let's look at how many people that would be. So the 10th, the 20th, 30th, 40th, 50, 60, 70. Again, we're counting by tens because every 10th customer got one. $130, $140, $150, $160, $170, and $180. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 people. And I know what you guys are thinking. Yes, we also could have found that out using multiplication because 10 times 18 would be 180. But just to see it more visually, it can also help to list out the numbers. So the total number of customers who received a free sticker is 18. This is because every 10th customer gets one if you count by tens until you hit 180. You will count 18 people. Therefore, 18 people got a free sticker. So again, we're counting by tens until we hit to 180. Again, and making a list is always helpful so you can see it visually. You can even count fingers, 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever you want to do to get there. As long as you are getting there, and then your race statement needs to also include what you're doing to solve that problem. That's the most important part of all of the race statements is your process. This is because that's what we're looking for. Okay, what is the total number of customers who received a free t-shirt? Show or explain. So let's go back. So we still are at the 180, and we know that every 25th gets a free t-shirt. So we're going to be counting by 25s. So let's see. We can count 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, and then the 200th will not get one because we're stopping at 180. So even though 25 is not a perfect multiple of 180, we can still stop there. So The total number of customers who received a free t-shirt is, and then we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is because if you count by 25s until you hit 180, and I'm going to put like shown because we showed up there. So we're actually kind of showing and explaining. We're doing double duty here. You will count 7 people. If you want to be super extra, you can even say to 7 people, 25, 50. You can even list all those again. You don't have to, though. And then we're going to add our therefore. I'm not going to write the whole thing out, but it would be therefore it was 7 people. Again, we're really focusing on race statements this week, and I'm going to be looking for that in your link kits. If it's not race, I'm not addressing it. What is the total number of customers who receive both a free sticker and a free t-shirt? So we need to look for similar customer numbers in both lists. And I can do this by looking back at the list I've already wrote. We don't need to write lists again. Pretty much on our, for the sticker, we're looking for any that end in a 0, because those are multiples of 10. So in this list here, we're looking for multiples of 10, which would be 50, 100, and 150. Those are the people who are on each list. You can even see here, 50, 100, and 150. Since we know we're looking for multiples of 10, that's why we circled the ones that end in 0. So I'm seeing that there are 3 customers. So again, we have the 50, 100th, and the 150th. So the total number of customers who received a free sticker and t-shirt is 3. This is because 50, 100, and 150 appear in each list. Therefore, these are multiples of, oh my goodness, both, what is going on? Both 25 and 10. Therefore, it is 3 people. Okay, so that is all we're going to have for today. So now I want you guys to go back to the Google Classroom assignment and find the link it code and then try it out. And then I will be on Zoom at 10. And again, I'm going to stress, if you have not started this work, I am not helping you on Zoom. Everyone needs to come to Zoom with specific questions about the work. And I really hope to see you all because I miss you. Even if you don't want help, just kind of pop in and say hi. I just want to see your faces and know that you're okay. All right, so I will see you guys later.